10 Amazing Places to Visit in the Netherlands. One of the many remarkable vacation spots in the globe that seizes visitors' hearts is the Netherlands. It has a wealth of culture, history, legacy, and art. Here is a quick overview of some of the top tourist destinations in the Netherlands that will have you packing your bags immediately. The Netherlands has it all for you, from boundless flower fields and tall windmills to lovely water canals and picturesque architecture. 1. Amsterdam. The city has other sides, despite the fact that it is undoubtedly most well known for its coffee shops. Head to the tranquil Giethoorn neighborhood to find Amsterdam's true charm. The region was once a working-class neighborhood, but it has since risen up the ranks to become one of the most upscale neighborhoods in the city. Expect winding, maze-like streets dotted with hipster cafes, art galleries, and boutique shops selling the newest fashions. Although the tiny canals that are wonderfully flanked by the tall, colorful classic gabled houses are what really pull people to this area of town. Don't forget to continue your exploration of this amazing city and fit in all the must-see attractions, including the Anne Frank Museum, the Flower Market, the Van Gogh Museum, and the National Museum's collection of old masters. 2. Leiden. There is no denying that Leiden has played a significant role in Dutch history because it was the city where the Dutch Constitution was drafted in 1848, the birthplace of Rembrandt van Rijn, and the location of the nation's first university. Leiden has experienced periods of exceptional wealth during which the weaving, textile, book printing, preservatives, and metal industries flourished. The streets and structures in the city's core still reflect this. With its old university buildings, classic windmills, fortifications, and cathedrals all within walking distance of one another, Leiden is almost like a living museum. 3. Delft. The Netherlands' southernmost city is called Delft, and it is a modest, charming place. A taste of Old Holland can be had by strolling through peaceful walks and past picturesque canals in one of the nation's best preserved medieval cities. Visit the Old Church, also known as the Oude Kerk, without a doubt, and art lovers shouldn't miss the superb Stedelijk Museum het Prinsenhof's remarkable collection of Dutch decorative arts. 4. The Hague. The Hague or Den Haag, which is home to all of the Netherlands' ministries and a few royal houses, serves as the country's political hub. It should come as no surprise that the magnificent Peace Palace and the Binnenhof, which houses the parliament, are among the highlights of this coastal city. Visit the Mauritshuis to view its collection of works by Dutch masters like Rembrandt and Vermeer, or visit Madurodam to have a virtual tour of the Netherlands. In this entertaining park, miniature versions of well-known national landmarks can be found. 5. Maastricht. Maastricht, in southern Holland, is best known for its vibrant city center, the Vrijthof. It is also home to the spectacular St. Servatius Church, the St. Jan's Cathedral, and the historic fortifications, or Vestigingswerkens, which are major tourist attractions. The Vrijthof is home to numerous annual festivals, with local favorites arriving in the fall and winter. This vibrant town center is also home to fantastic cafes, trendy pubs, and intriguing galleries and stores. The St. Pietersburg Caves and the Helpoort, the oldest surviving Dutch town gate of its sort, are two other well-liked sites in Maastricht. 6. Utrecht. Utrecht is located in the center of the Netherlands. Because of this, the city is accessible from all parts of the nation. You can take a kayak or cruise around the canals in the historic district, climb the Dom Tower, or ride a bike to the magnificent De Haar Castle beyond the city limits. Downtown Utrecht offers a fantastic variety of eateries, shopping, and bars if you'd like a more leisurely day. The Miffy Museum is another recommended trip if you're traveling with kids. This engaging museum is entirely devoted to the exploits of the adorable, well-known cartoon bunny and his family. Children can play, experiment, and write their own Miffy tales. 7. Haarlem. This ancient jewel, which is close to the endless beaches on the west coast, is a small-scale version of everything that makes Amsterdam so alluring. Start your tour of this medieval city with the Groot Market. The majestic Grote Kerk Cathedral and grand historic warehouses can be seen here. The Frans Hals Museum should be on the travel agenda of anyone who appreciates art. One of the most well-known residents of Haarlem during the Golden Age, this painter's work is largely on show in the museum. In the Jopenkerk, a former church-turned-brewery and the perfect place to mingle with other travelers over a pint, culture and culinary delight collide. 8. Groningen. Groningen, a university town, is home to storied campuses and a buzzing nightlife culture. The Martinatoren, Groningen's tallest tower at 97 meters, is a great sight to start getting to know the city. Take the 260 stairs to the top, where you'll be rewarded for your exertion with stunning views over the city and the surrounding area. The city of Groningen has numerous art exhibitions. For instance, the Groninger Museum, which boasts an amazing collection of abstract art and is colorful and odd-looking. Additionally, it gives guests the opportunity to design their own masterpieces in the workshop. In addition, there are lakes all throughout Groningen where you may go canoeing, sailing, or swimming in the summer. 9. Rotterdam. Rotterdam, which was merely a fishing town in the 13th century, is now the most advanced city in the Netherlands. Like Amsterdam, Rotterdam is quite bike-friendly and has a number of interesting districts to explore. The pilgrims set ship from the well-known Delftshaven neighborhood in 1620, and every year, visitors from neighboring European nations come to take part in the summer festivals and carnivals there. The Erasmus Bridge, which towers above Europe's largest harbor, is a tremendously distinctive and imposing structure that is also widely acclaimed as a work of art. The Museum Boijmans van Beuningen is by far the most visited tourist attraction. Here, you may view artwork from the Middle Ages to the modern era, including works by Dali, Van Gogh, Bosch, and Rembrandt. 10. Giethoorn. You will notice a distinctively different view from many of the other cities in the Netherlands as soon as you board a boat in Giethoorn. Spend some time here and all you will see people on bikes and taking boat rides because the town is largely car-free. The thatched roof homes that have been a part of the town for centuries will also astound you. You can spend your vacation surrounded by the incredibly beautiful rivers and canals on the village side. It is additionally known as the village without roads. Giethoorn is one of the top tourist destinations in the Netherlands since it is surrounded by such serene environment.